how can they tell this is Ariel without you having to explain it?
It'll make you a better designer and it'll make you more profitable.
It was very hard to cut down to 6 because there's so much talent.
We ready? I'm going to announce the 6, and you'll go to Disney headquarters, and you'll present your work again to the panel. After the panel of the 6, we'll cull it down to 3. First off is Brielle.
I'm so excited. I'm in the top 6. I can't believe it.
Number 2 is Sumin.
I'm really excited to see my clothes in real life, but I have to present well, I know.
Number 3 is Gary.
I'm also so excited and I don't know what to say about it. I just never thought I can be the final 6.
Number 4 is Amber.
I am very, very, very excited.
Number 5 is Yuki.
Well, I'm so exciting. I never thought about in my age I can design for Disney brand. So I can't wait to see next week what's going on.
Number 6 is Oliver.
Still can't believe I'm the top 6.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations. See you next week. Thank you all so much.
Thanks.
Hi guys! Welcome to the Disney Creative Campus.
Yeah, all right.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. You should be really proud of yourselves. This is so much work, so much effort, and I'm sure long nights, right? Yeah, so I mean, it shows, you guys.
And I mean, you did all great, so no matter what happens, like, this is awesome that you got so far.
Yeah, good luck, good job.
Today's the culmination of a contest.
The students will be presenting to our judges, and there'll be 5 very different perspectives. Sarah McCallum from JCPenney will have the product on the floor. Jane Siskin from Jaya Apparel Group will manufacture the product. Janet Alvarez from Club Mickey Mouse, who speaks through the lens of the consumer buying the product. And Eva Shah, our Senior Manager of Licensing for Disney Princess. And of course, Jill. She'll be on the judging panel representing Otis College of Art and Design.
So I'm anxious and really excited to hear what they have to say about the students and their stories.
First off, we have Amber.
Very nervous, but I'm glad I'm the first one. I can get it out of the way. My name is Amber Wang, and I would like to present you my Mulan-inspired collection. I did 2 different ages. I used ruching and drawstrings to recreate the feminine side of Mulan, and I used my hardware such as zippers and metal snaps to tie back to the masculine side of her. I chose Mulan because I feel really relatable to her, because my mom has always been the motivation for me to be better every day and be better than yesterday and do things right. But after all, I just want to be the daughter that she will be proud of, and so is Mulan. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing that story about your mom at Disney. We love hearing about how people are connected to our Disney princesses, and now that story of Mulan clearly stuck with you, so we love that.
I just love the whole set and collection. It's impeccable.
The richness of the colors, the richness of the velvets and the brocades and the beautiful prints will be really great for the timing.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Amber.
Oh, I forgot some points, but it's okay. It's over.
I'm excited but close to nervous, more nervous, yeah. Hi, I'm Gary. My princess is Ariel. She kind of reminds me of my first year when I got in America. Everything was new to me, and then I was curious about everything. The people who know kids wear the best, I think, is kids themselves. The original version is a bright version, which has bright yellow, green, and purple, just like Ariel. My 9-year-old cousin said, I'm not gonna wear that because it will make me look like a kindergarten girl. So I desaturate her color palette because she wants to wear something cool and then a little bit mature than her real age.
You did a very nice job of keeping the holidays in mind and the fall and even in your silhouette, so great job.
Thank you.
I love that you utilized your cousin's opinion because that's extremely important when creating a product. You need to know what the customer likes. And the jackets are definitely on trend with the pins and the patches. I love it, just all of it.
Thank you.
Okay, Gary, thank you.
During the presentation, I was very nervous. However, I finished it and I feel good about it.
I'm really nervous, but I know what I'm gonna say and confident about my work, so I'm ready. Hi, I'm Sumin, and my character is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. I chose to do 10 years old, and she's like a current version of my past, because I was really active and tried to be leader at the class. This is the treatment I made. I did hand embroidery, but I know it's really hard to fit in the budget of production. Maybe we could print it on the tool. This voluminous dress and the jacket brings back to Belle's signature dress. I'm really confident about my work now, and I love all my designs.
Well, I really appreciate that you gave a lot of thought to how we would manufacture things, and I thought that the idea of printing on the tool was really, really nice.
Okay, well, great. Thank you, Sumin. Great job.
Great job. I want to do it again, but I can't take it back, so I'm satisfied.
I'm nervous right now. For my presentation, I prepared like 15 minutes. And today they just told us they only need 3 minutes. So I have to make it shorter, but I think I can do it. My name's Yuki Chai, and here's some reference and pictures I print out for you because I'm gonna mention it later. In order to understand my customers, I went to two JCPenney. One is in Arcadia and one is in Culver City. So for my treatment, I used a lot of idea inspired by Under the Seas and those shiny stuff, which is like mermaid scales.
You did not limit yourself on the possibilities, which is great. You were clearly dreaming big, and we love that.
I think some of your details are fantastic, and I think that we can probably bring a lot of this to life.
I love that you went and talked to customers, and you talked to sales associates. Price point is so critical to the JCPenney customer.
Well, thank you, Yuki. You did a great job.
I still missed some points, but I think I answered them well. Yeah.
A little bit nervous, but mostly excited. I just hope that I can get all my points across and really tell the story of Mulan. I am a fashion student and a costume design student, but beneath it all, I'm a storyteller. And Mulan's courage, her strength, independence, her non-traditional qualities, and her loyalty towards her family is something that's always spoken to me since I was a child, and I've carried that with me through today. So of course I had to design for her. I created a lot of outfits that have multiple layers, so that way she can style to her comfort level, as well as to what she's doing that day. And I wanted her to be able to walk into JCPenney, see that awesome outfit that she really wants, but be able to take it home and then mix and match too. And I hope that you see a little bit of the girl worth fighting for in each of my designs.
Obviously you have some showstoppers here, but I can also see graphic tees and leggings that would be great for our more price-conscious customer. Really good.
It so shows through that you have costume designer in you, and I think that you brought this character to life in a really, really interesting way, so good job.
Well, Brielle, thank you very much.
I'm a little nervous because there was a comment made that it's very apparent that I do costume design as well, and I get that crit a lot, so I hope that doesn't affect anything in a negative way. Yeah.
I'm very nervous right now. Hello everyone, good morning, I'm Oliver Zheng, and here are my collection for Disney and my treatment like this one, the lanterns, and I was nervous for a little bit. I paused 2 times, but after that I recovered a little bit and then I feel comfortable. they can be all printed as a graphic, like you can print on the t-shirt or jacket side of the jacket. So you don't really need to do the treatment, but we can use it as a print because kids like to something pop out, so we can add some applique like this. Kids wear is supposed to be fun, and I had lots of fun during this process because my favorite character is Rapunzel, so I'm so lucky to have her. I just like her slogan very much, like, venture outside of your comfort zone, the rewards are worth it. So I did.
Well, Rapunzel is my favorite Disney princess as well, so I think you did an amazing job in capturing her fun, whimsical spirit. And the color is on trend. It's millennial pink, and it definitely resonates with people of my demographic, so well done.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
I feel relieved, like finally it's all done, and I think I did a great job of presentation.
Okay, everyone, we've seen all our contestants. Let's narrow it down to our top 3. This kid is on fire.
It really is just too young.
I think it's a beautiful collection. Oh, good.
I'd wear it.
And I'm here to present the winners of the 2018 Disney Design Challenge.